Gandhi Jayanti kiss in English. What is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji was born on October 2nd, 1869. World Non-Violence Day. October 2nd. At which place was Gandhiji born? Porbandar, Gujarat. What is the name of Gandhiji's father? Karamchand Gandhi. What is the name of Gandhiji's mother? Putli Bai. What was Gandhiji's nickname in childhood? Monia. What was the name of Gandhiji's wife? Kasturba Gandhi. Who called Gandhiji Mahatma? Rabindranath Tagore. Who is considered as the spiritual guru of Gandhiji? Leo Tolstoy. Who is considered as the political guru of Gandhiji? Gopalakrishna Gokhale is considered as the political guru of Gandhiji. Who called Gandhiji as half-naked fakir? Winston Churchill. Who gave the title Father of the Nation to Mahatma Gandhi? Subhash Chandra Bose. When did Gandhiji start non-cooperation movement? 1920. So, non-cooperation movement was started in 1920 and it was organized by Mahatma Gandhi to convince the British government of India to grant self-government or Swaraj to India. It was called off in February 1922 due to Chauri Chaura incident, and this incident broke the non-violent character of the movement. That's why Gandhiji called off this non-cooperation movement in 1922. This non-cooperation movement was started in 1920 and Gandhiji called off this non-cooperation movement in February 1922. Which is Gandhiji's first satyagraha in India? Champaran Satyagraha. Which is the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi? The Story of My Experiments with Truth. Who translated Gandhi's autobiography into English? Mahadeva Desai. So Mahadeva Desai translated the book from Gujarati to English. How many times Gandhiji was nominated for Nobel Peace Prize? 5 times. When did Dandi March start? 12th March 1930. Which roundtable conference was attended by Gandhiji? Second roundtable conference was attended by Gandhiji. Who played the role of Mahatma Gandhi in the film Gandhi, released on 1982? Ben Kingsley. Ben Kingsley is an English actor. How many times Gandhiji visited Kerala? 5 times. When did Gandhiji visit Sri Narayana Guru? 1925. In which language did Gandhiji wrote his autobiography? Gujarati. Who was the author of Gandhiji's favorite bhajan, Vaishnava Janata Tere Kahiye? Narasimha Mehta. Name the only Congress session which was presided by Gandhiji. (1924) Belgaum section. The book Undo This Last greatly influenced Gandhiji. Who was its author? John Ruskin. Who wrote the book The Life of Mahatma Gandhi? Louis Fisher. During the non-cooperation movement, which award did Gandhiji return? Kaiser-e-Hind. Who was a female British-born follower of Mahatma Gandhi? Meera Ben. Mahatma Gandhi gave the exhortation "Do or die" during which movement? Quit India movement. Where did Gandhi start the Phoenix settlement? Durban in South Africa. Who is known as the conscience keeper of Gandhiji? C. Rajagopalachari. Which country is known as Gandhi's political laboratory? South Africa. How many miles were covered by Gandhiji during Salt March? 240 miles. It was a 24-day march from 12th March 1930 to 6 April 1930. When did Mahatma Gandhi pass away? 30th January 1948. Who assassinated Gandhiji? Nathuram Vinayak Godse. What were the last words of Mahatma Gandhi? Hey Ram. Where is the final resting place of Gandhiji? Rajghat in Delhi.